Right, I thought I'd make a video on CELR because I got involved in the pullback around, where was it? It was around 1.45. Yeah, around about here I picked it up in this big dip here. Once it started to pick up again, so I've got my money invested in it. So I have been looking at it. I just haven't made a video about it, and I'm sure there's some people who want to know a bit more about it and where it's likely to go. So I thought I'd make a quick video on the technical analysis. Sorry, I can't get my words out. So it's broken its trend. It's looking very bullish, and it continued to look bullish. It's going through some corrections. A bit of a big sell-off took place. We're on the hourly chart here, and like a lot of these ICOs that came out on Binance, it suffered after the FOMO, which was that was fine. Now the good thing about it is that it never reached its all-time high from when it was first released, so it's still got a fair bit of movement to go before it even gets that close. And I believe the nature of this coin is similar to Matic in a way, as a scaling solution to the Ethereum blockchain. It's got some decent price action left in it, long term and short term. Now, if you watch my other videos, you know these coins, like all altcoins, suffer with Bitcoin. They have their own trend, and CELR has been picking up pace more than most, actually, regardless of Bitcoin's sideways action. Now, if Bitcoin was to fall further, which I think is quite likely now that it's going to fall further, CELR's going to also fall further as well. And to be honest with you, I'm looking at it now, and it looks like it's teetering on the edge of having a bit more of quite a drastic correction happen. I like to look at these charts on the hourly chart, and at the moment it's underneath all the main moving averages, and it's dancing around on what I always consider with these ICOs the most important, which is the 200 EMA, and that has always seemed to have been a good support and also a tough resistance. At the moment we are bouncing around on there, as you can see. Once we get over there, generally everything's okay, but in a correction like this one that we're having at the moment, if we break beneath it, we're going to come right back down again, probably down to let's just say I would expect 1.5 of a penny, of a cent. Sorry, I'm English. I get penny cents. You know what I mean. So right now we're at a crucial moment, and with Bitcoin also, we're at a bit of a crucial moment. If Bitcoin stays as it is or goes up a little bit further, then we should bounce back from this and continue with our bullish trend. But we've made a lower high here, and we've made a lower low, and we're struggling to make any significant bounce from this 200 EMA. So I think it's quite likely that the correction will break here, and we'll find our way back down to 1.5 of a cent shortly, unfortunately. But don't worry, because it's proven itself to be resilient, and it wants to make its way back up. It's just being held back by its big brother Bitcoin, and until Bitcoin decides what it wants to do, we're going to have to follow Bitcoin's lead, unfortunately. What I would say is that if you're holding CELR, it's going to be good for the long term. We've got quite a way to go. This parabolic top will be met before long, actually. I think, because I'm mainly do my technical analysis on Matic. Matic is a coin that I think has got loads of potential, but equally CELR is going to do as well. The more I look at CELR, the more I think it could do better in at least the short to mid term. Its recovery has been very strong, better than Matic's, and we're just, like I say, just struggling now to stay above this EMA, and I think it's going to get broken. So I'll leave it there. Anyway, I'll make a few more videos if you want me to, and also at the same time, if there's any other videos, any other coins you want me to look at specifically, you know, some of these minor altcoins that people generally don't make videos on, or if it's just anything generally that you're interested in, just send me a message and I'll give it a quick look. And if it's something that you want me to have a deeper look at, just honestly just send me a line, and I'll give it my best shot anyway. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned. Pop your notifications on. I think I will make some more videos on CELR, considering I am invested in it. I'm definitely going to be looking at it anyway, and so it's not really any problem for me to make a video while I'm basically just doing my own analysis anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned and take it easy. See ya.